Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to claim a Google Business Profile in 2026, step by step. If your business already appears on Google Search or Google Maps, but you don't have control over it, you'll need to claim the profile. Once it's claimed, you can update your business information, reply to reviews, upload photos, and manage everything from your Google Business Profile dashboard. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in with the Google account you want to use for managing your business. Then, search for your business name on Google Search or Google Maps. If you see your business listing, click on it. Look for the option that says Own this business or Claim this business. Click that option to begin the claiming process. Google will now ask you to confirm that you're the owner or authorized manager of the business. Follow the instructions displayed on your screen. In some cases, Google may recognize your account immediately, while in other cases, you'll need to complete a verification process. Depending on your business, Google may offer several verification methods, including phone, email, video verification, live video verification, or postcard verification. Select the available option and follow the instructions carefully. For phone verification, receive the verification code by text message or phone call and enter it into Google. If email verification is available, open the verification email and follow the provided instructions. If Google requires video verification, record a short video showing your business location, storefront, business sign, equipment, or workspace. Make sure the video clearly proves that you own or manage the business before submitting it. If postcard verification is required, confirm your business address and wait for Google's postcard to arrive. After receiving the verification code, return to Google Business Profile, enter the code, and complete the verification process. In some situations, Google may tell you that another person already manages the profile. If that happens, click *request access *. Enter your information, submit the request, and wait for the current owner to approve or decline it.